everybody. I hope you're all doing well. I'm going to do a plastic wrap dip on this canvas using all these colors. So I'm going to be using orange, deep violet, magenta light, red, violet, Prussian blue, and yellow. And yellow is going to be the color that I'm putting my silicone in. So let me just squeeze some out here. And I'm using Spot On Treadmill silicone. About 4 drops or so. Let me get it. I need a paper towel. So just going to stir that up. And set it aside. Now to pour the white. This is a 10 by 10 inch canvas. Woo! Oh, we've been having some gorgeous weather and today's kind of cool. But I suppose that's spring for you, especially in the Midwest. You never know what you're going to get. Nope, I got to tilt it more down the other side. I just did an auction for Girl Scouts and put in a painting of mine that I kind of wish I hadn't put in because I really liked it, and now I'm going to have to try and make another one. It was not a pour painting. It was just an acrylic painting. And now I'm kind of sad that I put it in there. But it's going to a good cause. The money's going to a good cause, so it still makes me sad. Covering a larger space with this too, because I'm going to have so many colors. Whoa, big glob. I don't know what it will look like with all these different colors. Hopefully it will look good. If not, I can always paint over it, which is the beauty of art. Now for the red. I got my glove stuck in there. Now for the deep violet with iridescent medium. And violet. for the yellow, which I will use pipettes for. Alrighty. Now for the plastic. All those colors look fantastic. I really wasn't sure what all the colors would do, but they look really nice. And I'm actually not going to blow out the edges because the edges are going to expand on their own as they dry. And I kind of want to see what they do on their own. So I'm going to leave it. Let me close my white paint, take my gloves off, and bring you over. The edges have already started to expand. So thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you all next time. Bye.